She's got a ticket to scrap. She's got a ticket to scrapbook. She's got a ticket to scrap these babies today. These babies today. And now it's time for my baby, Terry Rice.
Yay, let's hear it from my MC. Today I am scrapbooking the twins, and this is the guitar player, and they're 11 now, right? 11 or 10?
10.
10. Whew, I made them older than what they are. And she's the skating gymnast. And this is going to be for her book, her album. And it's really funny because I was getting this ready, and then I had it all laid out, and then it's like I went to look for the other one like this, and it's like I'm looking all over for it because, and I used it for Foster, but it's going to look all different. And it's so funny because it looks so different that I didn't realize that I had actually used it. So that's kind of interesting. Okay, but when I share them at the beginning of next month, I'll make sure that I point out that they're the same papers that I used. Okay, so I did their little brother yesterday. So in his, I had a big picture and then 2 small pictures, and in hers I'm gonna have them together, and then I got her separate, where Mom just got pictures of her giggling. And it's so funny because it's like I lost my tape. Mom's always like, oh, he's so hard to get pictures of. Well, it's like Carrie was right here. She could have got more pictures of him, unless he decided he was hungry before these pictures are done. I gotta get my tape all right. And this is gonna be a pretty fast layout. Oh, I guess it's a part of the drawing. Okay, where is, oh, my invisible ruler is right in front of me. Okay. I think this is going to be right about here, if I remember correctly. Nope, there's no way. Okay, must be going to be over here. Okay, I think that's probably good there. Let me see if it's straight. Yep. I just love these little hanging clothes, and this here. It's like, I wish that was just another little embellishment that was really made out of fabric. It just makes me want to go in and sew some little things like that. Okay, and then this one I'm actually going to tuck under. And I do need to change my blade. I don't know, sometimes I think I cut it and then I trim it a little bit more, and then that little bit extra kind of messes up. I don't know. Okay, and I'm gonna tuck this under here a little bit because I've got a lot of empty space right here. And maybe down just, oh yeah, it's gotta be down far enough that we see the little stork. They were probably, since they're in summer clothes, well, they lived in Washington at the time. Since they're in summer clothes, I'm thinking that they maybe were at least, 3 months, because they were born on December 31st. So they might have been like 4 months. That would take it into January, February, March, April. I don't know, because they don't look very big, but they were preemies. So they could be, 5 months for all I know. And I just printed these, and I'm sure that the date was on them, but do you think I remember that right now? No. Okay, and actually I want to tilt this just slightly. And I want to tilt this one slightly. But I still want it about the same distance. close to the same distance. So I'm gonna push it over just a little bit. Okay, I think that's good there. Okay, and now I am going to put the title right here so that the G goes right between the bunny's ears. And she's the girl who the bunny goes with her everywhere. And I'm using the same letters I used yesterday. They were from that Grayson American Crafts. And Grayson is such a cute name. I like it. Okay. And I'm sure American Crafts named it after some grandkid or something. That's what I think when I hear it. Maybe whoever designed them. Okay. And I got them at Tuesday morning. Okay, and then I've got the sticker sheet from Mintay. And it has all these. Oh, and I was going to add some of these to Ashton's yesterday, but I forgot. Okay, and then I want Sweet Baby, so I got to figure out sweet. I want it to be Sweet Baby Giggles. So I think I'm going to just kind of tuck it right around the picture, the little S. And then this one's going to go right here, but I don't want it to go over the horse's ears. I want it there. I'm going to lay it there gently. Or do I want it closer? I think it's got to be right there. I'll get as close to the ears as possible. Okay. I think it's cute already. Well, just having the pictures, you know. Okay, and then now I'm gonna do some of that covering of the pretty things that are already here. I was gonna do a band design, a vertical band design, but with the colors that she has on and everything, it's like the papers I wanted to use just weren't working. Okay, and so I am just gonna cover this up to make it more dimensional. And then I have, let's see, I've got these little books. The little books down here that the little duck is standing on. And I just love all the little drawings or elements. They're drawings here, elements in my hand, I guess. I just think they're so cute. So cute. I'd like to have those little books just because they are so beautiful. They're so pastel. Okay, and now if I can stop. It's like I'm just staticky enough, all the little backs are sticking to me. Okay, and I'm gonna put the bottle, covering up the bottle. And the little duck. And I tell you, he's got on like a little fisherman's hat, which is just adorable. Oh, I better get it in screen here. Okay, and I'm just going to put him right over the other one. And then I have the little rabbit. And was just thinking, I wonder what her bunny's name is, but I think it's Bunny. I can't believe it's like I'm just like, oh, what's the name? But it's Bunny. And I think she has 3 bunnies because every time if she'd lose it, she was frantic. So Mom would just keep buying another one. And so it ends up that she's got so many. And it was like that with her cousin and Pooh Bear. Okay, so we're going to put this one right over that one. I just like how it kind of, having the dimensional ones kind of brings the scene to life. So pretty. And and then I'm actually done. I'm going to use enamel dots. And I think these are the same color. Okay, oh, and I want to use these tiny ones off this little strip here first. I think I'm just going to use the smaller ones today. The medium and the small. Ah, I'm throwing them on the floor. I'm still here. Broke a nail the other day running into the door frame. It's like, oh my gosh. So now it's like I got all these different length nails. I just hate that. And it's like I'm not used to using little tiny nails. Okay, where do I want that? I want some up here, but I don't know where. Decisions. Boy, husband's getting loud out there. Oh, I wonder if I need some up there. Let me take a look at it. I think I'm going to stick a couple up here. Do I want a bigger one up here by the star or not? I think I'm still going to stay small. What do I have on that one? It's like a little dot from someplace. I don't know what it is. Okay. So, let me look again. I think I don't like those there. Let me try one up here. Or maybe it's just that I don't want, I think it's got to be 3 spots. Oh, now I made a mark there. I don't know. It's like I'm just not liking their spots. I think I need 3 here. I think that's better. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, that looks better. Okay. So that is it. And I'll be doing her brother one. It'll just be them together. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Oh, this is Collection Obsession. So down below will be everybody else who's playing. And go over and check them out. And, oh, and you know what? I want to do some of these. I'm going to do Tiny Treasures. Because they surely are. I don't want to cover up her feet. And let's see. Giggles and cuddles, but nobody's cuddling here, so I'm going to save that for one of those. Born to Shine, that is totally her. Where can I stick that one? Maybe right up here by the moon and the stars. Or maybe it could go right there. But I think I want to see it. I think I'm going to stick it right there. And there's like a little moon here, but it's like you almost have to look for it to see it. It's really cute. Okay, tiny toes. No, we don't have any toes showing at all. You could just have adorable. And now where do I want that one? Decisions, decisions. Maybe I'll just stick it down here on Aiden. Okay, so that looks good to me. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And I haven't heard anybody say anything about the lights. Are the lights better up higher? Or I just changed them like the last, I think this is my third video with the lights in a different spot. So tell me if it looks like there's less glare or if it looked better before. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.